na, maliligo lang. Gusto ko lang mag-ready na ako kasi, work na. Work ulit. Ayan. Yes, sexy. Chat. I know that. I know that. I have to exercise first. Exercise. Charat. You know what, guys? When I'm doing live, I'm just uh, staring in a mirror and saying, oh my God, there's so many people gonna visit my live. Ega Extra channel. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Always supporting my channel. Guys, I'm going to choose my OOTD for today. Chahat. OOTD. Guys, what do you think? Kapag ayan, hello sa ating viewers. Hello sa ating viewers. Maraming salamat. Gusto ko lang na mag-thank you guys sa palagi kong pag-punta sa live. Okay. I'm going to choose this for my outfit for today. Charat! Ayan guys. Wait lang, lalabas na muna tayo. For today's video, I'm going to guys, thank you for the support. The channel ko. Very, very much. Very, very much. Thank you so much. Ayan, I love you all. Wait lang. Sama ko kayo dito sa labas. Hopeless romantic. Wait lang guys ha. Pakayin ko nga yung ilaw. Ayan. Buhay na yung guys ha. Guys, thank you ha. Kapag kapag lagi ako nagla-live, ayan, may nagsusupport sa akin live. Thank you so much for always there. Alam niyo na yun. Happy ako kapag ganun. Ha? Happy ako kapag ganun. Ayan. Ay, parang bet ko itong isuot. Mare. Parang ito yung bet ko isuot ngayon for today's video. Diyan. Ayan guys. Guys, support niyo yung channel ko ha. Everyday. Everyday ha. Support niyo yung channel ko everyday. Yung masaya lang. Masaya lang tayo lagi. Ayan, maliligo na ako guys ha. Ayan. Support ko yung channel. Ayan. For today's video.